Hello, today I want to share with you about this West Bend deep fryer. We've had this deep fryer for about a year now, and it has been our favorite deep fryer to ever use. Taking a look at the front here, once you've plugged it in, you push the power button switch, and then once the oil is good and hot, this ready light will come on, this green light right here. I also like this cheat sheet here on the front. It shows you whatever type of food you are wanting to fry is what you will set the oil temperature to. Once your food is all ready, you can set it in the basket just like this. Tonight we are doing catfish. Once you have your basket loaded up, you unhook it and set it right down into that hot oil. You'll want to make sure you've clicked it in place so that the lid can come down and click itself in place. Now you just let the fryer do its thing for however long you need it to. While the deep fryer is cooking, I'm going to show you this handle. This is the handle for the basket. You can collapse it to store it easily. You can see the fryer cooking as all the steam is being vented out the top. Once your food is done frying, you can raise the basket just like this. And then you can even rest the basket up high to let the oil drain to the bottom. And then your food is ready to go. Like I mentioned in the beginning, we have really enjoyed using this deep fryer and pulling it out on special occasions. It's great. I highly recommend. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right.